Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to stop WhatsApp calls without blocking the contact. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop receiving notifications from a specific contact on WhatsApp without blocking them. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp application and go to the chat of the person whose notifications you want to silence. Once you're inside the chat, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Mute Notifications. Now you'll be given options to mute for 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Simply choose the duration that works best for you. Tap OK. Once enabled, you will no longer receive notification alerts from the contact, but you can still open the chat and read messages anytime. This is a great way to avoid distractions without completely blocking someone. So that's basically how you can mute notifications from a contact on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.